Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment in Land Jewelers 1.1. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams or a complete course, you can also contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, statistics, physics, economics, computer science courses, website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix and many more. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price. Now let's start the assignment and go through step by step. There are total 15 questions of this assignment. As you can see that here is the title of our assignment, Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment in Land Jewelers 1.1, and here is the project description. You are an account manager for Inland Jewelers, a regional company that makes custom class rings for graduating seniors. Your supervisor requested a workbook to report on new accounts created on payment plan. The report should provide details on total cost to the student as well as payment information. Each ring financed has a base price that can fluctuate based on ring personalization. Now move to the question number 1. Here is the question number 1. The statement are given. Start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Inland Jewelers. Grader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyITLab dashboard. Here is the file I have already downloaded from MyITLab dashboard. First we enable the editing and then move to the question number 2. The statement are given. Insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. Basically in this question you will have to display the current date of your system like computer PC in cell B2. Now move to the Excel workbook, click on cell B2, then go to Formula tab and click on Date and Time drop down. You have see that there are many functions for different purposes. You can select the today function. Basically today function is used for current date and time in Excel. Click OK. You have see that the current date are displayed in the cell B2. Now move to the question number 3. With the cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to autofit. Basically in this question you will have to select the cell B2 and set width autofit. You can go to the home tab, click on format tab and select auto column width. You can see that the changes are applied on B2 column. Now move to the question number 4. Insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring type should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Basically in this question you you will have to add a lookup function in cell C5 to display the rank cost for the first student. Now move to the Excel workbook. In cell C5 you have add a formula equals to VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a built-in function in Excel. First we add the ring type B5 and table array. We have fixed the A16 as a absolute reference because it is a constant, and then set range for B19. B19 is showing the ring type and set to as you can see that the formula our formula is completed. Add bracket on the last of the formula, then hit enter. The total cost are calculated in cell C5. And the next part of this question is use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. We have already done in this question. Now move to the question number 5. Fill the function from cell C5 to the range C6 to C11. Basically in this question you will have add a function from cell C5 to the range C6 to C11. Now move to the Excel workbook. Simply you can drag and down to the last of the cell. You can see that the costs are calculated in these cells. Now move to the instruction file. We are on the question number 6. Apply accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. Basically in this question you will have add accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. Move to the Excel workbook. Select the range. First we select the range from C5 to C11, then go to Home tab, and in the number section you can see that, and select the number format accounting. You can see that the changes are successfully applied on this column. Now move to the instruction file. Here is the question number 7. Insert of a if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due if the student has chosen to personalize the ring. There is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Basically in this question you will have add a if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due. If the student has chosen the personalized ring, there is an additional charges of 5%. Move to the Excel workbook. In the total column is E5, you have a write a form if function equal to if D5 representing the personalized equal to yes. If d5 equal to yes, then c5, c5 representing the cost as plus c5 multiplied by b21. Then press and c5 in the last of the formula, c5 representing the cost. Here is the formula. You see that, and then press enter. The total amount are calculated in cell E5 420. In question number 8, fill the function from cell E5 to the range E6 to E11. Now move to the Excel workbook and then set the function from cell E5 and drag and down to the last of the column. We have now completed 8 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining question or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I provide you full support for all types of assignment, quizzes, simulation exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this assignment or your complete course, feel free to reach out me.